Hello everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. My today's project is how to make this gorgeous evil eye dream catcher using paper quilling strips, and this is looking super gorgeous and very easy to make. So you can use this as a keychain or for the room decor or for the wall hanging, and the colors are looking very vibrant. So without any delay, let's get started. First, I'm starting with making the center of the evil eye mandala. For this, I'm taking one strip of black color, two strips of light blue color, three strips of white color, and four strips of dark blue color, and making one tight coil. So this is done. Then I am taking 1/4 strip of white color and 1/6 strip of light blue color and making one tight coil. Similarly, I have prepared some more same tight coils already. Then around this big tight coil, I am going to add these white color tight coils. Like this. Then I am wrapping this whole design using medium blue color strip, and I am using here two strips. My one strip length is 45 centimeters, and for today's project I am using 3 mm strips only. You can also use 5 mm strips. Like this. Then only for the center part of this design I am using my quilling mold and making a dome shape just to increase the height of center eye. It will look more nice when you will give the dimension to the center part. Now I'm just filling little glue inside this molded part and allow it to dry. After that, I am taking one strip of navy blue color and making one tight teardrop shape. So I have already prepared some tight teardrops, and then I am taking 1/6 strip of light blue color and making some tight coils. So here I am just adding navy blue color teardrops first around this ring. Then between each teardrop I am adding light blue color tight coils. And this is done. Then wrapping this ring again using medium blue color strip, and I am taking here 3 strips in total to wrap it around. Then I am making small evil eye for hangings, and for that I am taking half strip of black color, half strip of light blue color, 1 strip of white and 2 strips of dark blue color and making one tight coil. So when we will reach half portion of this dark blue color strip, you have to insert one jump ring through this, and each time you rotate it you have to pass your strip through the jump ring, so that this jump ring will get attached with the tight coil and we can easily hang this with the dream catcher. Here I am using silver color jump ring, so I have reached till the end, just securing it with the glue. And this is done. Now I am just opening this jump ring using plier and passing one silver chain through this, securing the jump ring. Then I am taking one more jump ring and passing through the other part of the chain. Then taking back my main mandala pattern, and I have already attached one side of this small evil eye hanging with this, so I am attaching it on the other side. So just passing my jump ring through the design, securing it nicely using plier, and both the sides of the hanging is ready. The color combination is very vibrant and nice. Now I am starting with my center part. So first I am making the feathers using quilling designs. So I have already prepared some bended leaf shapes in all blue colors and white colors. So I am just showing you one shape here. So here I am taking half strip of navy blue color and making one bended leaf shape like this. Add little glue, pinch on both the sides and just twist the petal in S shape. Similarly, I have prepared some more, and these two tight coils are made using half strips of navy blue color and light blue color. Now I am just assembling my feather by randomly adding these color petals. Then I am attaching these two tight coils on top and in the bottom. But before attaching it, I am just passing one jump ring through this tight coil and also one small piece of chain. Like this. And for other tight coil also, I am passing one jump ring through this light blue tight coil, and I have already prepared one macrame tussle in light blue color, so I'm just connecting this tussle with light blue tight coil. You can also use silk thread tussle or ready-made tussles. And now I am attaching this with my feather part from bottom, and from top I am attaching this one. So I am taking one more jump ring, and exactly in the center I am passing through the tight coil, then passing this chain part, secure this with the plier, and then sticking with the feather part. Allow it to dry completely, then we will proceed for the next step. Then to create the top hanging, I am just attaching one silver color keychain using jump ring exactly on the top center part, and this is done. So the attachments are completely done and the dream catcher is also ready. Now it's time to make it more sturdy and more finished. For this I am using paper quilling varnish and applying it all over the design using brush from both the sides. And the beautiful evil eye dream catcher is ready. Isn't it looking very beautiful? So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.